Sweetie? Do you want some NutriBerries, maybe? You seem hot. You seem cranky. Is it cranky time? Is it cranky time? Oh. What's with that tap, you? That tap is supposed to warm my heart, I think, right? It's the way to suck up to me. It was very peaceful here a minute ago. Are you going to tap for us? Huh? How many times I've looked at the number in the last 5 minutes of how much we've raised? Oh, Clay. That's a triple tap. Wow, that's pretty fantastic. Triple tap. Hey everyone, I'm going to keep it. Things start getting rainy. I'm going to cut the live off because I just want to keep it calm in here. Hey, what are you doing? A double tap? I don't know. My internet's kind of splotchy for some reason. Sitting. What are you tapping? Are you a tap dancer? You coming over here to tap your way into my heart? Oh boy, you. He's been walking all over this place. Yeah, it's live right now. Okay, back to what I was saying. I don't seem to be, I don't know. I don't know, Paula. I don't know anything anymore. Ask me a question, I don't know. Yes, it is a dishwasher. Brad has to hook it up still. I'm kind of doing a lot of laundry and baths and everything, haven't we, Izzy? I want to keep it. We're just keeping it quiet here, right? Let's keep it quiet and calm for Izzy Wizzy. Oh, okay, yeah, we're at the CT scan. Right. Okay, what did I say? Let me get up and look how much we've raised so far. No, Coco. I don't want you bugging Izzy. $229. Ugh, what does $229 mean? Oh, we've sold 229 units of $10, so that's 229, 2,290 US dollars, right? So, got the CT scan right away. Dr. McDonald was happy that we could just, I was so surprised that she was able to take them right in like that. I know, sweetie pie. I don't want birds running all over you. So anyway, so he right away went to get a CT scan. It was the fastest CT scan I've ever seen. So she's glad that, so I'm glad she was able to do that right away. I texted her this morning early. Right, sweetie pie? Huh? We're just lounging, right? Just lounging. Does she seem alert? Every time she coughs, I freak out. Or I just want her to sit with me while we do this. Yeah, she's having a nice rest. You look alert, huh? You look alert. She likes that food that the vet gave her. It's the Hills diet. It's like for stomach problems. She's eating it, so that's good. Good. We've had an accident already, though, haven't we? Huh? She just hates those baths. I saw that, Andrew. I haven't added in the Canadian funds yet, so I have to sort through the Canadian funds. My brain isn't looking so great right now, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning when it's clear. Usually by the end of the day, my brain doesn't work. Oh, thank you, Condo. Did you? I can't remember. Oh my God. Can you guys hear me? I don't think a diaper is good for a poop. Right? I don't think a diaper is okay. Anyways, I haven't checked the people that have just. Okay, yeah, for the CT scan. Okay, so for those of you not familiar with what we're raising money for, the CT scan and assessment by. So Dr. McDonald gets the CT scan done. Someone at the hospital reads it, and then she sends it off for a second opinion. So the CT scan was 1,000, and the second opinion is 600 Canadian. We've got 2,300 units sold. We've got 2,300 units sold, and so that's 2,300 US dollars, which is probably about 3,000. We want to get an air cleaner for the nest. And then after that, I want to raise money for Greyhaven so that they can have a bunch of toys too. They haven't had toys since last year, so I like for us to be able to do that for them. So it's a big goal for 4,500 US, I think. Which I think my goal was what, 6,000 Canadian. Oakley and Coco are here. There's a slow connection for some reason. I don't know why. If you can't hear me, go to YouTube. Oakley keeps bitching. For a little bird, a CT is. There we go. Let me move it up here. I only have 2 bars. So Facebook, thank you everyone who's contributed.